and welcome to St Benedict's. My name's Izzy Pye. I've been a student here since I was 5 years old, so I've been here from reception through junior school into senior school and in sixth form. I thought I'd show you around the school and give you a live tour. So this is Eat and Rise, which is our main entrance into the school. So if you'd like to follow me, I'll show you around. So welcome to the Orchard Hall. This is where pupils from the nursery and the junior school to the senior school and the sixth form teachers will have lunch. There's a cafeteria system where there's a range of food available, from hot food to salads to pasta bars. But the Orchard Hall also transforms itself into a space where lectures take place. There are musicals, plays, concerts. So it's a really versatile space, and it's a real lovely part of the school. Welcome to the Cloisters, which is located at the heart of the school. So this is a very versatile space. It's used for weekly assemblies for different year groups, but it also offers other events such as talks, plays, presentations. It holds cake sales, charity events, and also parties for senior citizens and other old priorians. It also won a REBA award for its cloister-looking structure. Welcome to the library. The library is open from 8 AM to 6 PM every day and is available for all students from the senior school to use. There are loads of resources here which we are encouraged to use for our presentations, for EPQs and other activities that the school offers. One of the main features of the library is the wood oak furniture, which a designer called Mousy Thompson made for us, and if you can see, when you come and visit us in person, you'll be able to see the little mice which creep up along the bottom of tables and chair legs. This corridor here leads us down to the music department. To tell us more about his experience of music at St Benedict's, we will have Jack, who will be talking to us virtually.
Hello, my name is Jack Edis. I've been at the school for 14 years and I'm currently preparing to study music at St Peter's College in Oxford. My love for music, as well as my pursuit of music into higher education, has been wholly due to the musical experiences I've received at St Benedict's School. I've been in 3 school choirs, the Ealing Abbey Choir, big band, quintets, quartets, jazz bands. Plus, with the 3 major school concerts a year, there's every opportunity to show everyone what a musician you are. They've even been able to incorporate my excessive instrumental lifestyle, including piano, saxophone, organ, as well as singing. The school has actively encouraged me to pursue my passion to the fullest, and I cannot thank them enough for that.
So the labs for biology, chemistry and physics are located at this end of the school in the spacious science department. Our labs are probably most busy during the annual science fair, where our Year 8 students present their science projects to other students from local primary schools. Our sixth form also get involved, and we help introduce what science is really like to younger students from the junior school. We're just outside the drama studio now, and I'd like to introduce Finley, who will tell us more about drama at St Benedict's.
Hi, my name's Finley. I've been at the school for 14 years now and have been involved in the drama department for the majority of them. Drama as a subject holds a unique position, as it serves as both an artistic outlet and an intellectual cultivator. While some subjects encourage linear thinking, drama nurtures the combination of creative and critical thinking in both a performative and academic space. At St Benedict's, we're fortunate enough to have 2 such spaces: the drama studio for academic lessons and the Glendine for performance. Academia and architecture aside, drama in itself is good fun. Stand out to me are the performances that I've been lucky enough to be involved in, notably Les Miserables and High Society. I would highly encourage any prospective students to join the drama department. I believe drama has developed my character as a person, in that it has allowed me to gain more self-confidence in speaking and performing in front of others, and allowed me to understand an emotional depth when preparing for a role.
Welcome to the Sports Hall. So here there are a range of activities available for all students to participate in. We also have an extensive gym and a dance studio upstairs. Welcome to St Benedict's playing fields, which is just a short 1 mile journey away from our main campus site on Eaton Rise. Up until 6th form, you take a coach here with your year group, and you come here for a game session once every week. So we have 14 acres of land here. We have 4 full-sized rugby pitches, an all-weather hockey pitch. We have 2 netball courts and cricket nets and tennis courts. So there's amazing facilities here which allow us to really excel with sports and put forward really great teams for fixtures. Welcome to the art department. So the art, design and technology department was built in 2016. And every year they have a big art show where they exhibit some of our pupils' artwork, and that comes from photography work, from sculpture, from fine art, from 3D design. But now we're going to go to Hadassah and Oscar, who will tell you more about their experience with art at St Benedict's.
My name is Hadassah Olacampo. I'm in low 5th and will be completing my GCSEs next year. St Benedict's offers 3 art specialisms: fine art, graphic and 3D design. I have chosen fine art as one of my GCSE subjects. When I joined St Benedict's in year 8, I would not have described myself as an artist. But after 3 years, with the support of St Benedict's art department, I have now developed my craft and love for art.
My name is Oscar and I'm currently studying a design A-level at St Benedict's. In the art department, teachers encourage all students to discover their own personal styles, which students can do by using all the great facilities, which include a 3D printer, a laser cutter, darkroom for photography, a screen printer, ICT suites, a design workshop, upon a lot more.
So right now we are outside of the 6th form centre. So behind me we have our 6th form common room, which is a space for 6th formers to relax in and to enjoy. Upstairs is the Scriptorium, which I'll talk about a bit later. It's a private study space. And just over there we have the 6th form cafe, again another relaxing social area for 6th formers to use, where they can purchase food, lunch, all sorts of things. It gives us that sense of independence when we come to 6th form. Welcome to the Scriptorium. This room is for 6th formers to use during their study periods and free periods to catch up on work or do extra revision. We have computers and we have lots of books and resources to use here. We also have the career teachers who are located up here, and they offer us advice on UCAS, on universities, and they really just give us a flavour of what life is like after school by showing us different career paths, apprenticeships and all sorts of things like that, so it's really good. St Benedict's Abbey is a short walk away from our main school campus. We go to the Abbey every Wednesday for our senior school assembly led by the headmaster, and we also have mass here at the beginning and end of every term. Welcome to our chapel. This is just next to our chaplaincy centre. This is a place where everyone's welcome to drop in and have a moment of reflection and quiet. And the stained glass window just here was actually designed by one of our own students. The co-curricular programme the school has is one of our special strengths. As well as providing opportunities with sports, drama, music, we offer other things including debating society, polyglots, eco club. We also have a thriving Duke of Edinburgh scheme at our school, as well as CCF, allowing students to really go out of their comfort zone and develop their team leadership skills, communication skills and other things like that. There really is something for everyone here. Thank you for coming around the school with me. It's been a pleasure taking you around. I hope now you think St Benedict's is a school for you, and I know that if you do, you won't be disappointed at all.